I drew that whole in.
It's on dirty.
I know.
Ugh, so how many years has this girl been here? Let's go.
I'm gonna get y'all wrong.
Bet y'all won't. Bet y'all won't.
Bro, what are you doing like that?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I have this stairs more healthier.
Nah, you're gonna tell us we're pussies, bro.
Wouldn't be in trouble right now.
I'm gonna be like,
My
you,
leg
since
hurt.
you have that, you like, come hurt.
Yeah, she twisted her leg.
Bro, what if we get caught?
No! What if we get stuck? You're stupid, bro. Oh my god, the fucking numbers ain't working. Oh shit!
Bro, you're scaring me.
Shh.
I thought they said, come over here, ladies.
I know.
Oh, we hit that hoe.
Oh.
Is y'all dressed? Y'all dressed? Okay.
You see what happened was we got hungry. She brought pizza.
I'm gonna tell you something. I've
Yeah,
never
yeah,
seen
yeah.
a.
Okay, you know how short Paris is, right?
Yes.
Dang, bro, I hurt myself.
I don't want to know.
I'm just saying, don't lose it to a black guy.
Okay, I can't lose this to a black
Look,
guy,
it's
okay?
lights.
We're talking about sex?
Yeah.
The girl is on YouTube, so come on.
I'm not allowed to date at a
Okay, you know what she you know what she just said?
No, don't.
You know what she just said?
Don't
She said
lose it to a
that.
black guy because they're thinking my bumpers are extra big.
Oh, I know. I've been knowing
You
that.
see, she knows.
I know that. Black people have big dick.
Did we put it on our socks? I'm ready. Once you go black, you never go back. I went back though.
Mexican.
I never went back. I stayed white. No, I'm playing.
Out. She likes white.
Let's go buy something.
China, let me just ask you a question. You know you got the guy? You know you got the guy? And he's white from head to toe. Imagine he's all white too.
Oh, no, I heard that.
Ain't it pink?
And
No,
like, their
it
hair
ain't.
is like, is there like
My homegirl told me that it ain't. For real, it's not pink. No, real talk. She told me because she was like, we were talking about it. Like, same thing. And I just popped out saying black people have big dick, and she's black. She's my homegirl.
They do?
And yeah, they do. Real talk.
they have supposedly they have it bigger than Mexican.
Yeah.
It
Well,
just
depends.
depends.
Because some Mexicans have big
What happened
dick,
to
bro.
the other phone?
But usually black people, all of them have some.
Oh, that's Fufu's one.
No, real talk.
Grab it.
Why you gotta have your legs open like that?
I'm gonna get my food, guys.
Bring me some.
Hey, bring me
Let's go.
juice. I get your pizza.
Let's go buy something.
Hey.
I'm ready to bounce up.
Ooh, you late.
Let's go buy some.
Oh, I didn't see that. But I know they got, oh, you got mac and D. You got mac and D.
Let's go.
Right, she got mac and D. What's up, Liz?
What's that?
Y'all gonna win it today? What's up, Lulu?
Yeah.
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 I wish y'all
Where's your
would.
stuff, China?
Oh, we take it.
You want to leave it? Or you guys want to go straight to the gym?
I think this is mine.
What are you doing?
Oh, this ain't mine.
Let me see.
What you
Facebook. What? Facebook freak like me.
Mari, remember Salvador from last year?
That chicken.
He goes, Devil, y'all don't lose to them 15-0 last year. It was so much fun, haha. Like it was 14-0. And then he goes, haha, save shit. It's just one goal difference. Yeah, that was bad. Y'all made fun of us because we lost the first round. Because they lost the first round. Okay, well this year the guys también they lost the first round.
Hermosa.
So we had to run. We went for the guys too.
I mean, those nachos got me full, bro.
And then he goes down.
My phone's tripping.
He said
Ruby, you want
2010 was the best.
Hold on.
Class of 23. I mean,
My phone leg. My phone's vibrating out of nowhere.
Yeah, what's up with it, bro?
pasó a ver.
Y no me dijo hola a mí tampoco.
No, she got scared with my face.
Ooh.
You.
If you didn't go to 10th period.
Y a mí no me dijo hola.
Hey, bro.
She's right here. She did like this. She was like,
She hugged me. So you on to the girl stuff, come on.
Bro, almost busy. What are you doing? I'm gonna go eat. Oh, she gonna go back and do this stuff? Oh, right there. What y'all doing for I mean, 10th period.
hey, go interview him. Why do you always sit on the floor?
Oh, she okay.
Come here, you're gonna get interviewed.
Come here.
First question. Why do you oh my bad. Why do you always spit on the floor?
Do it. No, never mind.
That's the first question.
I know.
Second
Are we gonna play
question.
like this?
Aw, look. Amor.
Stop spitting on the floor. Well, I don't care. This is cement, but not inside. That's nasty.
Oh. Red Oak.
Yeah, come on, baby.
Kick butt. Oh, yeah. All right.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit, that shit hurt. Oh, let's go ask him again.
Okay, why you always spit on the floor?
Now see you come in, please. You see me? Yeah. Not in front of the kids.
They have my back there on my people.
Back. Oh, they know.
No, I did
Besito, besito.
Ahora por eso no nos va a echar porras.
Oh, ¿dónde está tu
I
little?
was gonna make a sign so y'all can hold it so y'all don't
You
have
want me
the
to make you
car
one in
pizza
paper?
boxes.
I can take that one out.
Hazlo.
Can you take it off for me?
Ahorita ese.
We got a pizza box.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look. Mine's over here. Where is that?
Abuse.
Hey, 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 hey.
Chayo,
Oh, fufu, górale, fufu.
What? The pizza box? So they could do a sign?
Yeah.
Se cayó.
Damn, screaming his earth.
I know we're leaving.
We're on our way.
These are dumb people in there.
I know. Come on, bro.
Hey.
Hey, Mr. What's your good?
How you doing?
Great. We're gonna win today.
Okay, well, it's gonna be
We
angry.
don't want a 14-0 no more.
No more. No more.
They're gonna be crying on the floor and they're gonna be begging. Can I play again? No. Really?
Stupid, that's my new shape.
Trio.
Trio.
Fufu's trio wanna be.
You got
I said it.
I wasn't gonna say nothing, but not.
My boyfriend said there's gonna be paper, not for him to cheer for the other team.
Man, go to
Paper.
Si no hubiera el otro equipo.
Paper, like as in like paper as in money or paper as in.
If you go for the other team, they're gonna lose.
Hey, but there's a that's a Cesar.
Pierdan.
The Cesar thingy. Y'all wanna do that again?
The what?
The little Cesar
Oh, the
box.
box?
Yeah.
Anden a la basura.
I like your shoes.
Oh,
Use
you.
the Cheerios.
Old
Si
ass.
solo no cumplen también lo voy a
This backpack is heavy.
Wendy, they got you in there.
Wendy's in there. Wendy.
Bro, Mari, you just kicked me.
Wendy, you okay? Wendy.
Ah. And then, hey, yo digo, hey, bitch, why you kick me?
She was funny. We were dragging them.
You're like. Oops, my bad.
Oh, yeah. Pues está bien. Bump.
Ay, calma. Sola. 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 Sorry.
Oh yeah, we're gonna pass the tag.
Let's do that one. Let's do that one.
Why? Why?
But I can put Kimbo on the back.
Oh my god, Mari.
Oh, you should take off the tag part.
Ese mejor irá.
Oh yeah.
Ese dice reach.
No! Why did you reach your bitch?
Hey, for the 2000.
I got this one.
Ese está bueno también, quítalo.
Oh, look at stars.
They're purple.
Uno que diga Kimbo.
Ninguno. ese? No. Mira, quitamos este grandote y ponemos eso de knock them out.
Ahí está, quiten ese.
Oh yeah, you can, no, ahorita lo meto.
Oh, más?
Oh. How do we go? Let's go this way. This way. That way. That way. That way.
Look, can you picture my stuff real quick?
I forgot my stuff.
Number Gatorade is down.
Oh, Jay, it's so beautiful. So colorful. Oh, yeah.
Oh shit, that would do that.
I thought you oh, yeah.
I was trying to pull it.
Hold it. Mari hit that hole. Mari hit that hole. We're so ghetto, I swear. Thank you.
Who has colors? Not me.
Oh hell nah, bro. I brought some new J's today, and este piso no está bueno.
Oh man, it's cold. Should have brought my sweater. So my mama would bring my blanket.
Alright, the next video. So deuces.
Bye.